Let's try it. Here it comes. Now we're going to go through. That's a very tricky little section of a bunch of number 4 switches. Very tight turn coming off those. So let's see what we did. There it is. Looking good. So, what we got here, hardwired to a PC board. Right here, the reason I did that is so that I could put the wire, this is a piece of heat shrink tube that I did not shrink. Keeps it nice so that it doesn't, like some of my earlier builds where I was putting electrical tape, after a while it just comes apart and then gets wrapped around a drive shaft. Goes over the motor, nice and clean. We want to drop in a decoder, goes right there. Simple drop in. Undo these 2 wires to the decoder, decoder back to this one, good to go. This one was so old I needed to add the bearing holder. Took a piece of pipe wrap, drilled a number 38 hole in it, and then I just bent it till it fit in place. As you can see, it looks nice and level all the way across. And then same thing on the end. I used a really long piece right here to hold my wires. They're not, I didn't use the heat, shrink them in there. They're just in there, and they're nice and clean and out of the way. That's pretty nice. So, I don't know, let's see if we can, let's try something a little harder. Let's see if we can hit track number 3. So to hit track 3, we need to do this. Oops. That was track 4, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Let's go back and get track 3. We need to do this. Look at that. Oh, we don't have power on that track, do we? That's because we got somebody else parked on it. Alright. See if I can do this. Power on. Here comes our other guy up behind us. So, but did you see him snake around those switches there? Don't. Okay, everybody on safe there. Okay, let's check them. Snake's right in there. Nice and quiet. And negotiates these turns very nicely. We can go as slow as we want to. It's got a little bit of speed. It's definitely got a lot of torque. And that's it. This one is good to go. So put the shell back on that. It is ready to roll. And I did this was for a friend of mine and see if he's just DC right now, but this thing is all ready for him to go DCC whenever he's ready. And it looks nice. Look how clean that is. Very nice and clean wiring. And this is a good one. This is a really good unit.